It's Toy Talk with Lily. Say hello, Lily.
For me?
Open it.
I can open this. It is. Here. Oh my gosh, it's a battery! Oh, cute! Piano!
It's a piano.
Piano, yay! Piano! Piano, piano!
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's batteries.
Okay, let's get some batteries. Next scene, we'll put some batteries in it.
Okay, I will give you batteries.
Okay.
Here's batteries.
Okay, let's put some batteries.
Hi, Daddy. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Wow, eh? Oh, this doesn't need batteries, I don't think. Oh, yes, it does. Ah. See, you have to take off these first. Tell them that you're going to take these off first. And we're going to take this one off too.
I can go how.
Here, pull it. Pull it. Good job. Okay, we take this one off. We take that one off. Then we have to take these off.
Hey, stop.
Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Once we get all these out, we're going to put the batteries in, right?
Yeah, what?
We always make sure a grown-up does this because we don't want to hurt yourself, right?
No, why?
Yeah, we want safety first.
Yeah, safety first.
That's it. All right, let's see if you like the way it sounds. Let's see if you like it. Now, how do we turn it on? Right here, there's two different levels. Let's put it on one. Start playing. What do you think?
Cool.
It's cool? Do you like the lights?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I'm going to dance. Here we go.
So you like it? Look at the screen and say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.